Good morning, everyone. This is Jared Aiken with Scars and Stripes Unfiltered. I wanted to come this morning and say that your worst chapter isn't your last chapter. This is something that's really personal to me, something I highly believe in. I want to say in that your worst chapter isn't your last chapter. You might be in a place right now where you don't recognize your own life. Maybe you've lost a career, a relationship, your freedom, your purpose, or even yourself. If you feel like you've lost yourself. But where you are today does not have to be where your story ends at all. Some of the strongest people I know rebuilt their lives from a place they never thought they'd escape. Your worst chapter doesn't get to write your ending. I mean that from with everything inside of me. Whatever you've been through, it doesn't have to be the end of your story. Turn your scars into strength. And this is Scars and Stripes Unfiltered.